Hi guys, and welcome to my garden. It's really hot out here today. Hey Siri, how hot is it out here today?
Hot enough for me. It's currently clear and 88 degrees in West Palm Beach. Expect mostly cloudy skies starting in the afternoon. Temperatures are heading down from 87 degrees to 78 tonight.
It feels a lot hotter than that, I gotta tell you. But it's nice here in my garden with the shade. The bamboo offers a nice shade over top of all of the plants. I don't have any fruit or flowers to show you this week. Everything is just slowly growing. Some of the fun things that I did do, don't mind my squirrel deterrent here, but these are the lettuce seeds that fell off of the lettuce that was flowering. So I'm just going to kind of let that go because I don't have any lettuce right now, so that's good. Here are the MIGardner seeds lettuce that I planted, and they're growing up in some nice rows, except right here where the squirrels had disturbed it, so I don't have any sprouts there. I don't know that my peas will ever produce, but somehow I do have 2 tomato plants growing in here. So this week I will probably pull those up and put those over into the tomato wall over here, where I also planted a whole bunch of tomato seeds. So we'll see. Hopefully this winter we might have a nice tomato wall on this side of the fence. On this side of the fence, the tomato wall has gotten all the way up to the top of the fence. So that's fun and exciting. This was my attempt to a bird bath. I did finally plant the carrot seeds in here. Uh-oh, somebody got through. Not too bad. I guess my squirrel deterrent didn't deter enough. Over here what I did was, you'll see, also to deter the squirrels, I had laid the dead plants on top that had the leftover seeds in it. So I just picked them up, plopped them over here, put some dirt over it, and we'll see what they do. That's the Nikki way of gardening, to take a turn of phrase from my friend Wendy over at Happiness and Sweet Tea. So yeah, like I said, I got some sprouts in the boots. The cilantro did finally sprout. Basil's getting bigger. The bucket of love is once again getting full. And the tomatoes are growing high to the sky. This one is not. I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to leave this here or pull these up and plant them over on the wall there to see if they do any better. I do not see any tomatoes yet on the beefsteak tomato plants. And the peppers are slowly but surely getting a little bit bigger. I did get a packet of sweet banana peppers and red bell peppers, so I will be picking some of these empty buckets around here to plant those in this week also. One of the other fun and exciting things that happened to me this week was, if you've been following my channel for a while, you'll hear me reminiscing about the times when I could go out and pick fresh coconuts off of my trees and have my fresh coconut water every day. Well, the trees have gotten so big that I can't really do that. And by the time the coconuts fall, they're usually brown, and that's good for having the coconut, but not the coconut water. So through the windy and stormy weather that we had this week, something fun happened to me. Let's take a look. Yeah, so during the storms we had this week, I had some fresh coconuts, some young fresh coconuts fall on the ground, so I was very excited. These were the ones that had already split open, so I wasn't able to use those. But you can see here that they fell straight up from the tree, way up there. And the next day, this happened over 2 different days. The next day, the palm frond fell and brought the rest of them down. But overall, I was able to get 20 coconuts out of the 2 days. These are the perfect size for a coconut. And it's exactly kind of how you want them to get the freshest of the water. They're so full with water that when you shake them, you don't even hear them. But here you can see I just simply press a hole right into the top. I used a screwdriver, but you could use anything that's hard at this stage because they're so tender. Just pour the coconut water out. I then filtered it through some cheesecloth. This was the amount of coconut water I got for the 2 days. And after sitting in the fridge and chilling, this is the water on the right is refrigerated filtered water, and the water on the left is fresh coconut water. And there's just nothing like it if you haven't had it like that. So that was my week in my garden and in my yard. I hope you all have a pleasant week. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to go down and hit subscribe if you have not already. And we'll see you real soon.